So from the entryway, actually, I went all the way around, but now we're back almost to the entry on this other side street, Old Street. I would say the southern street. So we have another cross here, which is a little bit different than the last one. Looks probably newer, but this is here, sitting here upside down because of the bar in it. Again, this is an entryway cross. That's here. Let's see if the backside has nothing on the back of it. But this would mean there's probably 2 chapels on this street. And maybe there's some remains here, areas they haven't uncovered yet. So here we got this one. So this second southern walkway, colonnade church. Coming up from the Domitian Temple, past all the inscriptions, you take a corner by the public baths and go left, heading back towards where you probably entered into. Actually, you'll see all these pillars in the colonnade. You'll see this, which is actually perfectly lined up east-west. Could have been a cross with a X of Christos, or just a game on the ground here. But as we walk forward, maybe 2 pillars on the left here, you actually will see a entry stone of a cross at this point here. I'm not sure what that, next to this sign, X or something. But down here you'll see a cross there. This is an entry stone cross of entering in through a doorway. And so you have here, so we have the upper road or upper level, probably repurposed church in this area. So I can't read that much Greek to figure out if this says something about this. But this is just over the hillside and through the area here from the civic amphitheater. From that stone there, you go 1, 2, 3 pillars up and you'll see the other entry. So as a doorway, you would have a cross on both sides. Here is the cross entry stone for this area. Where these are found in this area means there was a church in this area. Probably 5th century, maybe 7th century, but definitely from this time period. I'll look in the back of it. Sometimes there's a cross on this side. Nope, not on this side, but there is this interesting stone here. Looks like a paw, marbled paw from some base. Could have been the table, could have been the worship table, who knows? But they're sitting here in the dirt, and you can see ruins still here. They haven't excavated this. They may find an apse, they may find mosaics, flooring, but it hasn't been dug up yet. Actually, on this colonnade here from this way, we have the so-called fountain on the southern side, 2nd century AD. We have this big circled fountain here. So we have a church here on the right that have been discovered in this area. And then we come back over this way. Just over here on the left, you'll see another entry stone set upside down on this area. Actually, you find the 2. You find the one down there that I looked at, and you find this other one right here, actually. So this shows that there was a different church here. So this is also one on this area. So the backside, anything? Nothing on the backside of that. Definitely another one right there. Interesting about this fountain here, you have a church on the left, one on the right. Often the early churches had fountains or hammams, bathhouses nearby. If people coming, they can wash up before they enter in. So I wonder if that was a double purpose, at least for the Christians.